Lesson 1. Why blockchain was created. Many people believe blockchain was invented to create digital coins, but that is not the real reason. The main problem was trust. In the modern world, people constantly interact with strangers. We send money, sign agreements, and exchange value with people we do not know. Traditionally, this requires intermediaries. Banks, registers, exchanges, and other institutions act as trusted middle layers. They keep records and enforce rules. But this system has limitation. It is expensive, slow, and often not transparent. You usually cannot verify what is happening inside the system. You simply trust that the institution is acting correctly. Blockchain was an attempt to change that. Instead of relying on trust in an intermediary, the system relies on shared rules and public records. Every participant can verify the record. No single participant can quietly change it. In simple words, blockchain is a system designed to reduce the need for the trust between strangers. In the next lesson, we will look at how the traditional financial system works and why it depends so heavily on intermediaries.